Praise be to Jesus. Cardinal Müller. The problem is a loss of supernatural faith in the sacraments. The Vatican's former doctrinal chief is saying the underlying issue of Germany's desire for intercommunion is a loss of supernatural faith in the sacraments. Reflecting on Germany's proposal for Protestant intercommunion, Cardinal Gerhard Müller, former head of the Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith, in April wrote that the sacraments are no longer regarded as the visible signs instituted by Christ and celebrated in the Church, affecting invisible grace in those who are well disposed. One reason German bishops prefer for opening Holy Communion to Protestant spouses is to end their so-called serious spiritual distress, seemingly caused by not receiving the Eucharist. Viewing the sacraments through the eyes of faith, says Cardinal Müller, is largely being replaced with a natural psychological lens. The sacraments are turned into psychological and social means of support to facilitate our inner mystical experience with a Christ that is shaped in our consciousness according to our own image and likeness, said the Cardinal. The underlying premise of morality is that evil can never be done in order to accomplish a good. It has been summed up by stating the good end never justifies the evil means. This has been replaced by situational ethics, whereby Holy Communion may be given to Protestants for the sake of their psychological well-being. Well, there's more to the article if you care to read it. The link will be in the description box.